Hey guys, welcome back to HelpClick. In this video, I'll be showing you or be discussing with you 5 settings to permanently disable all ads on your Android device. But first, check our special offer in the description. So, let's get started. So, if you want to basically disable those ads that you may be getting on your Android phone here, well, there are a few settings here that you may want to check. Now, the first setting that you may want to check here is your DNS. Now, if you're not familiar here, there's what we call DNS. So basically, this is like the directory where, in this case, where websites are, and basically for you to access those websites. Now, in some cases, setting up the correct DNS here would actually help you avoid certain ads appearing on your phone. So in this case, you want to open up your settings here. And in your settings, you want to go and look for more connectivity options or more connectivity settings. It depends on your phone. Well, let's go and select that. And you want to go and choose the private DNS here. And you just need to make sure that you set this to private DNS provider hostname. Go and select that. And you want to go and choose custom name here and provide the following. So go and choose dns.adguard.com. Now, once you've done that, go ahead and click on save. And basically, that would prevent certain ads appearing on your phone. But then again, this is not enough. There are other 4 settings here that you may want to check. So the next setting here that you may want to check is going to be your Google ad settings. So in this case, you want to go and scroll down a bit here until you see Google. Go ahead and select it. Go and choose all services at the right side here. And you want to go and scroll down a bit until you see the section for ads. Let's go and choose ads. Now, inside ads, you first want to go and access ads privacy. Let's go and choose that one. Now, in here, you want to go and choose add topics. Now, from here, basically, interests or topics of interest are based on the apps you've used recently. So if you want to disable ads for this one, let's go and click on the allow ad topic. And let's go and go back. Now, also, you may want to visit app suggested ads. So basically, again, this is for like suggested ads on your app. So in this case, put what you like and suggest ads based on other suggest ads on other apps. So if you don't want to see ads, you're going to just disable this one as well. Let's go and go back. Now from here, you want to go to ad measurement as well, and you may want to turn this off. Now let's go and go back until we get to this page. Now, the thing with this one is you may want to also delete your advertising ID, but there are 2 options: resetting your advertising ID or deleting your advertising ID. Now, it is recommended that you delete the advertising ID here if you want to totally avoid getting those pesky ads. But if you just want to reset some or certain ads appearing, like if you don't want to see those ads and just basically reset what you're going to see, you can go and choose reset advertising ID. But in our case, let's go and click on delete advertising ID and confirm. And as you can see, it's now deleted, and we should be able to hopefully avoid those pesky ads. Now, next thing that you may want to do here is you may want to also update what we call your browser. So notifications that you're getting on your browser. So in this case, you want to open up your browser. Now in your browser, click on the 3-bar icon at the top right, and you want to go and click on settings. Now in your settings, you want to go ahead and look for one of the following. It's going to be notifications. So we're going to select that one. And from here, you want to go ahead and basically filter out what notifications you're going to see. Now from here, as you can see here, now we have show notifications. Now if you don't recognize any of the websites that you're seeing in here, you can actually select one of the notifications here and just make sure to disable them. Now, if you totally want to avoid getting notifications on your browser, you can go and click on the disable show notification section, and that should disable the notifications like you're getting in your browser. Now, also, you have the show notifications here. So if you want to click on the browser option here, if you want to customize how you're going to get your notifications. So yeah, that's another thing that you may want to do or check if you want. But yeah. So in this case, those are the settings that you may want to change here. Just make sure to properly set them. But in this case, that's about it. If you found this video helpful, hit the like and share button and watch our next video.